When parked on the roadside in fog, rain, or nighttime, use your parking lights to stay visible to other drivers. It's a small step that prevents collisions. Regularly checking your rear view and side mirrors keeps you aware of your surroundings. It helps you spot overtaking vehicles, tailgaters, or lane changes. Stay alert, stay safe. No parking zones exist for a reason: emergency access, visibility, or pedestrian safety. Ignoring them can cause accidents or get your car towed. Park smart, park safe.